our baggages. Then go to hotel. Hotel.
Go to hotel.
Hi guys! Naiwan na namin yung mga luggage namin sa hotel. And now, we're going to our breakfast brunch place sa Laojang. Magte-trade lang. The navigator. Uy. Tara lang. Guys, nandito kami sa Laojang. Soy milk store siya. So, nandito kami ngayon sa Taipei 101 kasi pupunta kami sa observatory. And later, kakain kami sa Din Tai Fung. Nahanap namin ngayon yung entrance. Look at the mall.
Nakita ko.
Saan?
Ayan.
Parang undi ng tao. Good morning, guys! It's our day 2 and today we're going to Taichung. We're going to Taipei Main Station. 1, 2, 3. Kami pero hindi pa kami nakain, so sana may mag-alok dito sa bullet train, pero alam ko meron. Gutom na, lagot ka na. Okay. So see you guys later.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say
sa San Moon Lake.
Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
So guys, hello. I'm back. We're back. We're back sa hotel. Nag-jacket lang kasi parang uulan. And ang lamig na ng hangin sa labas. We're about to go to Ximending Night Market. Few minutes away lang. Here dito sa hotel. Doon kami magde-dinner. Let's go! Naambon, guys!
Everything is so beautiful, and I just wanna let you know that you don't have to go away. Just stay with me. I can always be right by you. You can always be with me too. I don't wanna let you go. 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 Don't wanna let you go.
Hello guys, good morning. Today is Sunday. And it's currently raining here in Taiwan. We're here sa Taipei City Hall just to see the Taipei 101. Foggy.
Everything is so beautiful, and I just wanna let you know that you don't have to go away. Just stay with me. I can always be right by you. You can always be with me too. I don't wanna let you go. 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 Don't wanna let you go.
Hi, we're going down. We're going to Taipei Zoo. Mabasa ka. For the Sawan, sobrang taas. Hi guys! So, nandito kami ngayon sa Zhongshan Street. So, it's a night market and madaming streetwear and stores. Buto-buto! Wala tayo. Hi guys! So after 2 hours of waiting, we're finally inside Ichiran. And nakaupo na kami. Love, hello. Gutom ka na? Nonchalant naman to kasama ko. So, we're waiting for our ramen. So excited. Sabaw na kami. Sabaw na kami, guys. Guys, wala pang 10 minutes. Naubos ko na agad yung ramen ko. Ganun ako kagutom. And first time, naubos ko yung ramen. Sabaw na lang yan. Sobrang happy ng tummy. Satisfied customer. So, yun. After this, baka maggala-gala na lang kami. And mag-night market pa. Hindi namin alam kung makakakain pa kami sa night market. But yeah, malulobot na kasi yung camera ko. So, see you guys tomorrow. Bye! Good morning, guys! It's our day 4. We're here at Tucheng Station. Tama? We're here at Tucheng. And we're hoping to see capybaras today. Sana may slot pa. It's a spontaneous trip to see capybaras. Yeah! So, nandito kami ngayon sa Taiwan. Nag-bullet train kami from Taipei to here. And ang sadya namin today is Gloria Outlet. So, Lawrence is currently figuring out how to go there. Kasi ako ay mahina sa navigation dito. This is the bullet train station, or they call it high-speed rail. And this is the airport, going to the airport. And I don't know kung paano kami pupunta. Siya ang may bahala. kami sa Jiffin. 1 o'clock. Kumain kami ni Lawrence. And then, 1:30 na sabi ko, hala, magtuto na. Kasi yung in-announce ng tour guide namin is 2 p.m. kami babalik sa bus. So, dumating kami dito. 2 p.m. pa, sakto.
Mga ganun.
2:01, 2:00, basta ganun. 5 minutes after 2. Naulan pa ngayon. Tapos, pagdating namin doon, 3 p.m. daw. Sobrang nagmadali kami pababa. As in, hindi pa namin naiikot. And then, ngayon, babalik ulit kami sa taas kasi sayang naman yung pinunta namin dito. Diba, minsan lang naman. At saka binayaran din namin to. Sorry, ningal ako. Hi guys, we're back in Taipei and we're going to have dinner at Katsushi. Kasi nag-crave kami ng katsu. So, dito kami sa Zongshin. Bad news. Hindi kami umabot. Mag-i-eat pa lang. Sabi 8 o'clock yung last order for takeout. And yeah, punta kami sa Zongshan Street, iikot-ikot, and doon natin kami kakain. So yeah, bye-bye. Hi guys, good morning. It's our day 6 today. We're supposed to go home tomorrow 2 a.m. But then, nag-rebook kami kasi may bago sa Pilipinas. So we're going home on Saturday. Today's itinerary, we're going to perfume making. We're back. And bago na yung hotel namin. Parang ka naman nalogi.
Hello.
Bago na yung hotel. We're going to stay here until Saturday. Pagod kami today. Pagod ako today. Kasi may may regla. Ikaw?
Pagod. Walang pera.
Kailangan namin bumili ng box para sa mga gamit namin kasi hindi kasya. Kasya, pero nagdagdag kami ng damit dahil nga nag-extend kami. Yun. That's it. I'll update you guys later. Sa phone ako nag-vlog kasi lobat ako. Bye! Okay, good morning guys. It's our 7th day here in Taiwan. Nag-extend kami because of the typhoon. Oo, paulit-ulit. Nasabi ko na kahapon. So, nagla-line up kami ngayon sa Crispy Milky Donuts. Tikman ko siya kagabi. I'm gonna buy 2 for breakfast. Ikaw, ilan? Wala. So, 3 crispy donuts. See you. Here's the line. Good job, love. Good job. Siya nag-navigate. Natutulog lang ako. We're going to Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall. Di na kami umabot sa isang museum, yung Fine Arts Museum. Hanggang 5:30 lang pala siya. So dito na kami dumiretso. Uy, grabe yung hangin, yung bangs ko. So today we're going to Fine Arts Museum. We're going there na. We're on our way. Sa train kami